Today we are going to evaluate the function f of x equals 2x minus 1 over 3x plus 2 at the indicated values f of negative 3, f of negative a, negative f of a, and f of a plus b. In the first example, the only thing we have to do is just to plug in negative 3 for x. So we get f of negative 3 equals 2 times negative 3 minus 1 over 3 times negative 3 plus 2. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7, and negative 9 plus 2 is also negative 7. Negative 7 divided by negative 7 is 1. So f of negative 3 equals 1. In the next example, we have to plug in negative a. This is also very simple. Everywhere we see an x, we plug in negative a. So we can write f of negative a equals 2 times negative a minus 1 over 3 times negative a plus 2. 2 times negative a is negative 2a, and 3 times negative a is negative 3a. So we get f of negative a equals negative 2a minus 1 over negative 3a plus 2. If you want, you can write this as negative 2a plus 1 over negative 3a minus 2, which is then 2a plus 1 over 3a minus 2. What does negative f of a mean? It means to put a negative sign in front of the function and plug in an a for x. So negative f of a equals negative 2a minus 1 over 3a plus 2. Don't forget the parentheses here because the negative sign is for the whole function. Recall that when removing the negative sign and the parentheses, we have to change the sign in front of 2a, which then becomes negative 2a. And we have to change the sign in front of 1, which then becomes positive 1. So negative f of a equals negative 2a plus 1 over 3a plus 2. In the last example, we have to plug in a plus b for x. So we can write f of a plus b equals 2 times a plus b minus 1 over 3 times a plus b plus 2. 2 times a is 2a. And 2 times b is 2b. 3 times a is 3a, and 3 times b is 3b. So f of a plus b equals 2a plus 2b minus 1 over 3a plus 3b plus 2. And we are done with evaluating the function f of x equals 2x minus 1 over 3x plus 2, indicated with the values f of negative 3, f of negative a, negative f of a, and f of a plus b. More to come, so stay tuned.